Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking pineapple fried rice. It's more like a regular fried rice. The difference is just that we're adding pineapple. And if you've ever tried Hawaiian pasta, you have an idea of what I'm trying to cook here. It's just that we're using rice in this one instead of pasta. So let's take a quick glance at the recipe and then we can get started. Alright guys, so this is the rice we're gonna use. I'm using jasmine rice. I got curry, mixed vegetables, there's carrots, corn, peas and green beans. I have 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of bouillon, chopped onion, ginger, I'm gonna grate it. I got vegetable oil and feel free you want, but I'm going to use drumstick on this one. And also this is a pineapple we're going to use. So I'll go ahead and get this ready and we can get started. Alright guys, so I'll go ahead and add the vegetable oil. I'll go ahead and add the onion and the crushed garlic. I'll go ahead and add the mixed vegetables. Onion, black pepper, and salt. And stir. I'll add a little bit of curry. So we're gonna leave it to fry for like 5 minutes before I add the rice. We're gonna mix it. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is a pineapple fried rice. It looks good, I must confess. Yeah. That's it for today on JJ's Kitchen. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I'll catch you guys next time. Take care. Bye.